welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to get better at doing more confident lines in your digital art. This is something I have previously struggled with, as I use a graphics tablet, not a screen, because I'm poor. But it's still a great tablet I have used a good few years now. Getting back on topic, my method starts with uploading a drawing I did on paper and drawing over that digitally. Using this way helps you practice something familiar and not a blank canvas. I always thought a blank page was scary because I worried it would never translate from my mind. After you have a trace of your scan, use the selection tool to copy the trace into a new canvas. That's a better resolution. And there you have it, a perfectly digital version of your art, and a perfect base to paint on. Let me know what you think of this technique and if it works for you. Thank you for watching and stay positive.